In this Fresh Farm video, we're looking at summer squash. Unlike winter squash, which has tougher exteriors and can take up to 120 days to grow, summer squash are softer and are available earlier in the growing season. Summer squash comes in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes, and include baby squash, patty pan, and zucchini. Much of the information in this video applies to all summer squash varieties, but for now, we'll focus on zucchini. Zucchini grows very quickly, and farmers pick them at various sizes, so you might get a small one, a large one, or something in between. Like with all fruits and vegetables, the first thing you want to do with zucchini is give it a quick wash. Zucchini can be cut and used in many different ways. One popular approach is to cut in half, brush it with olive oil, and place it face down on a grill. Zucchini can also be cut into smaller pieces. For example, sliced into discs or cut into cubes, and then sautéed in a frying pan with oil and maybe some garlic or onions or other vegetables. And this can be eaten by itself or placed over pasta. You can also shred raw zucchini and add it to a salad or add it to soup. Zucchini can also be grated into small strips for zucchini bread or zucchini muffin recipes. There are many different ways to enjoy zucchini and all the other varieties of summer squash. So feel free to explore the Fresh Farm recipe page and have fun cooking.